Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2021 38 Outrage. We're going to start at the back of the boat. It's got the quad 300s. This is a real fast, it's a great hole shot and great top end as well, so very fast boat. Got a very large live well in the back. You've got the traditional bench seat in the back that folds up. It's for a really great leaning post. And then as we move over to the dive door, it does a multitude of things. It's as far as getting on and off the boat on a floating dock, it's one level. It's the safest way to get on the boat by far. And then it's got a ladder for getting out of the water. It's a 4-step fixed ladder. Very safe as well with a handle to pull yourself in. And then if you're fishing, instead of bringing the fish over the gunnel, where a lot of times is where you lose the fish, you can drag them in, put them right into the fish box. Much cleaner that way. Much more likely to get it on the boat. So you got a sunroof, a sunshade that extends all the way out over the back of the seating here. And then we've got a real nice prep area, so for preparing your fish. Got a cutting board on it. Got the electric grill for grilling up your fish while you're out there. So really, really nice setup as far as having a little station to prep everything for you. And as we move to the helm area, we've got the triple helm seats, which is real nice. The captain loves to have some company instead of sitting here driving the boat by myself, so I can have people very comfortably sitting up here with me. And this particular boat, we didn't bring in any electronics, but you have room for very large screens, a couple of them, or three medium-sized screens, but you can put any combination in here that you want. So you also have the spotlight, and then you got the joystick. The joystick is the easiest and safest way to dock the boat. I can put this boat in any slip, in any condition, anytime. It's that easy to do. Also has the sky hook, locks me in a position, so if you want to see a sunset at the end of the day, you can just point the boat at the sunset, have a little glass of wine, sit on the front. Really neat feature. And also the autopilot, it's called auto heading, and it's just a point and shoot. So you point the boat in the direction you want to go, you hit the button, and it takes you there. So no waypoints, that type of thing. So really, really, really nice setup. Also has the seat keeper. Huge deal. That keeps the boat from rocking like this down to a bare minimum. It takes about 85 to 90% of the rock out, and that's the part that people don't like, is the sideways rock. Then the cabin down below is very large. It's set up that you can sleep, you can spend the night on this boat. It's got a full stand-up head in it, and it's got a little sitting area for eating and sleeping as well. So really nice size cabin. Let's move to the bow. You got a very large bow up here. So you've got all kinds of room for all kinds of people up here. This lounger here is very comfortable. You can put 3 adults up here very, very comfortably, 4 if you really wanted to. And then you get the storage underneath, which is a lot of room for storing all kinds of stuff. So really nice feature. You got these here that'll flip up, so you have lounges on the sides. Well, so you got everybody very comfortably up here. The windlass is recessed. It's all non-skid up here for fishing. So it's got a sun top that goes up to the top that cover this whole area here. So the boat has basically everything. It does fishing, it does beach, it does dinner, it does sunset, it does everything. So if you got any questions or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.